Hi guys, we're gonna go to Bukidnon and we're gonna ligo in the sapa.
Going sa
We're gonna ligo in the river and then this is my new water bottle.
what else?
And we're gonna pick up Tita Baby first and you're gonna see her later. She's waiting.
Hi guys, we're finally at our first stop. At our first stop is Pine Cop. Ginasabi nila pero Pine Co-op talaga yun. Hindi weird na Kimbra. Okay. Sige, siya na pa mag-go. Ouch. Ouch.
Haven't been moving.
We had 5 hours of drive. 5 hours of sleep. Si ate yung 5 hours of drive. Ako kay 5 hours of sleeping. It's so hot. It's so hot. Saan yung fogs? Asan yung fogs?
I need it.
You need it. See you when there's ice cream. Here. Pine Co-op dili Coop. Puros Del Monte guys. Lol. Okay, anyway, hello. Let's find the ice cream. Ganyan siya. Asan yung ice cream na ginamin nyo, guys? Is it like this? What's that?
Look, 2 months.
Ito yung ginapangita natin?
Hindi, nandun.
Ito yung hinahapat yan.
Gusto mo i-try? Ito na.
Ah, I see. Nasa ano siya? Nasa like that. Ay, may melon.
May melon?
Oh,
Ano meron? Ako mag-bit-bit.
lol.
Ito melon.
Ano man?
How do we choose? Both. Ay, may melon man din pala dito.
Ano mo ka nila?
Yeah.
Dali.
The melon's like this, guys. Yeah. So, mag-focus ka. Uy! Mag-focus mo, good.
Hindi, focus lang nga.
That.
And that.
Okay, what are we gonna buy? Hi, guys. All time.
Tira na lang sa inyo.
Ano to? Pineapple cheesecake. Ano yung dessert namin?
Kaya dami.
Lunch. Mango graham cream. This is the one. Ang ginapuntahan dito. Pineapple. Sa pineapple.
Where's this one?
Ice cream. Co-op. Dili, pineapple co-op.
Hindi siya pineapple cook.
Easy.
Tagalog pineapple
And then,
How do you...
this one. Banana chip. else, guys. And then, natapos yung
Kaya na yung white
aking all. Pineapple jam. We have 3 of these. It's a 3 household.
Stop. What this one?
Ang pineapple?
Sarap siya.
Wow, sarap ng melon.
Sarap, no?
She's pare.
Fish para.
Sarap. Yeah. Sarap, no?
Sarap lahat. Sarap, masarap.
Ito masarap, no?
Kung gusto mo na pait-pait gamay, pineapple.
And if you want creamy gamay, melon.
Sweeter itong melon.
That the monkey's trying to grab.
Baka ano, iuwi na lang iba.
Kaya pa ba yun?
Kung nasa siguro yung cooler, naka-individually pack na din siya.
She does.
Okay.
Kala ko like freshly served siya.
No.
Akala ko ka dun ganit mag-order ka somewhere.
Gani. Para pala siya talagang ice cream na sa
Co-op pala
supermarket.
talaga siya.
Co-op.
Sa co-op.
Hindi siya
Sabi niya, coop.
Hindi
Okay,
siya
bye.
co-op.
Okay, we're
Hello.
done. We're done with dessert. Now we are on to our,
Real food.
yeah. We are at Dahilayan and we are near to our eating place. Hindi ko alam saan yung magkain. Ang alam ko lang kay visuals niya. Slay! Bye. Okay. Ouch, ouch. Okay guys, we just ate here at Saddle Ridge kung saan kami nag-stay. Now we're going to Antonios kasi malapit lang siya, like actually. Tapos nandyan siya. And it's here. So like, wow. Okay, we're inside Antonios. This is the inside. Is it a sleigh? Order sila ng drink. Ako kay wala. Kay parang naunsa na kontiyan yun. And then, meron lang what you call that? Snacks. Yes, snacks. It's so cool here. This is the place. So, it's like this. Guys, marami siya ng tao. Pero hindi kayo mag-TNT's job. Like that. Okay, yun lang. I'm so shy. Wala!
Wala na.
I could fix it.
Yan.
You could just same top, pero like same fit, same font, but different.
Same top sa
Ano pa siyang cap.
para sa nakaha.
Actually, part-time ko ngayon. Schedule ko kanina. Or tomorrow, later.
Alam mo,
We're done with Antonios. Now we're gonna go to our room sa by the river. Ang hirap pala maging vlogger, guys. Like, dapat octopus ka kasi dami mong ginahawakan. Hey, anong ginahawakan? Nahiya ako mag-vlog here. Pero feel ko mas mahiya ako sa Davao kasi madaming tao. Ay, dito kay parang meron masyadong people, ganyan. Pero, mindset is, mind your own business, bro. Tama na? Okay, fine. Original plan was that hindi talaga kami mag-diretso here. Dapat magano pa kami mag-Lake Apo, I think. And then, nalagpasan man. So, like, wala. Naka-give up kami. So, dapat, tapos bakit? Hingal, grabe. Parang hindi bata-batanon pa. Tama na siya noon. ADHD, pero yun. Ano yun? Naka-outfit na ko for late ako kanina, but then again, nalagpasan. So, naka-outfit change ako. Kasi hindi pa kaya. Yeah. What a hill. What? Now we are on the way to the real deal. The river. Si River, oh my gosh, that's Mink River. We've reached the... Kaya na mag-fill out. So, naglaki na yung ano ni Mika. Yung rocks niya. She's standing on those rocks. On her rocks. Okay. This is us, B1. B1 for real. Room tour. Let's... madami palang beds, oh. Maya na ako ano guys, kasi naka-shoes pa ako. Pero later. This is it. Ano yan, CR? Kala ko may pa-loft pa. Kaya parang malaki siya sa labas. Pero okay lang pa siya. It's big. I cannot go in. Anyway, we'll see you guys around. Sana si River. Ginahanap ko si River. Let's find River. Okay na ba to? Hindi na ba ako, guys? Kasi ako, naririnig ko na si River. Asa na si River? Kanina uphill, ngayon downhill. I hope you can hear me. Kasi kanina nag-review kami sa drink. Walang narinig. Kalagot. Ito talaga the thing. Like, recording na may mic. Like, kailangan pa siya connect. Whatever. Like, hindi siya automatic. Like, mga professional vloggers. Soon. Wait lang kayo. Na. Nasa baba pa siya. Wow! Ayun! Can you all see, guys? Hindi good malaki ang bato. Ano yung good yan? Diba 4x4 yung car mo? Na para bang 4x4 lang yung atake ng car niya. Ginatreat niya as 4x4. Pero hindi siya 4x4 kasi feeling si ate. Feeling siya. Guys, nakita ko si River! Diyan na si River! Yes, yes. Wait lang ha. Wow! Paka-slayability naman. This is so slay. Asan nag-start ang river? I think we should ligo now. Kasi magdilim na, oh. Wow, it's so clear! Wow! Parang may diwata anytime now. Wow!
No.
Langan. Uy, ang ano, sa kanina. Ano ganyan, te? Morang? Ano yan? Marang? Morang. Ay, jackfruit. Langka? Parang langka dito. Parang nice na picture dyan, guys. Picture spot, yes. Alam, malingaw sana si Papa nito.
Hello guys, so patulog na kami. Lakas ng apoy guys. Pero nag-uga-buga ako dyan. Tapos nahulog ko. Naugabugat na talaga ako. Naku guys. Sige na, bye na.